today's video, we're going to be doing some smoked barbecue pork chops on a Weber smoke. Stay tuned. All right, we have 3 nice sized bone-in pork chops that we're going to do on a Weber smoke. Now, the rub of choice we're going to be using today is the Killer Hawk's The Barbecue Rub. And of course, their barbecue sauce. Now let's get right into this. So let's go do a nice coat of this on all of it right here, just like that. You should get everything. So this is going to give it a nice color too, because I like the nice little red color that it gives. And just a little pat. Go ahead and flip it over. And we're going to do the same thing. Nope, give me about a minute. Alright, get the sides if you can. Alright, now we have a nice rub on them. How we're going to cook this in our Weber smoke, we're going to put this at 275. We're going to let them ride till they hit about 150, and then we're going to put the barbecue sauce in there, and then probably at 160 is when we'll take them out. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Weber. Alright, so here we have it. 275 degrees. This bad boy is ready to go in. We'll check it in 30 minutes and see where we're at. We'll be back. Alright, it's been 30 minutes and we're going to see where we're at. So you always go for the big one. So this guy right here. And we're at 127. 128. So we still got time. So we'll be back in another 20. Alright, we're back, and it actually was 30 minutes. So they've been there for 1 hour total. Almost. I say we're good to put the sauce right now. Oh, look at that, nice and saucy. Turn them over. Do it like a G with my hand. Look at that. All right. We'll be back. All right. They've been there for 2 hours now, and we're ready to take them out. Look how nice they look. Wow. We'll be back. Welcome back, guys. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, here we have it. So let's go ahead and cut into this because this looks good. It's a little hot. I'm trying to hold it. So here we have it. Looks good. A little juicy. Man, let's give it a try. This is really good. I love pork chops. Fried pork chops. But smoked pork chops, I mean, having the right rub, having the right sauce, it's amazing. So this cook took about 2 hours. All the pork chops I've done have taken less than 2 hours, so I was amazed that this took this long. but I was checking them every half hour. So my advice to you also, doing any cooks, knowing that the pork chops will take about an hour and a half, 2 tops, I would check anything that takes that little time to cook. I would check them every half hour, just to be safe, to see how things are going. You can't go wrong, and you won't mess up. So make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let me know in the comment what you guys think. I'll see you guys next time.